I'm Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video I'm going to show you how I painted this colourful beetle painting. This beetle is really fun and easy to paint and the colours really make it pop. As always, this is a shortened version, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial in real time so you can paint along with me, just sign up to my Patreon through the link in the description of this video. By signing up you'll get instant access to all of my full-length art tutorials. I hope you liked this colourful beetle painting. Remember to subscribe to see more videos like this.